kiss.
Love you.
Have a great day at school.
You too. Have a good day at work. Have a good day at work, Mom.
Okay. Good morning, friends. I bring another video, and today will be a little different for me and my channel because rarely do I ever just pick up the camera and not try to be so scripted and planned out. So I don't know what's going to come of it, but I am dedicated to submitting a video every single day for the month of October. And it's morning time. I am getting ready to grab a biscuit so that I can take with me to the office. I need medicine, and I did not prepare breakfast, so who knows what today is going to bring. It's now time to mask up and head inside for the day. Let's go. During the day, I work in special projects and event management, and it requires a lot of planning, a lot of meetings, a lot of planning, and a lot of meetings before it is time to execute. This career allows me to nurture my love for list making, logistics, meeting new people, and not having the same thing to do every single day. The job changes with the projects and the initiatives, and that is one thing that I need in my life. I don't want the same mundane things to happen every single day. So this switches it up for me and keeps me on my toes. I know this just doesn't go for my job, but the countless meetings and events that we were having in person are now switched over to the virtual life. So throughout the day, I am participating in meetings via Zoom and other platforms, attending webinars, and just handling business in front of the computer screen all day long. So after work, it was time to put on my dance mom hat and go to the football field to see my oldest daughter perform with her dance team. So after work was not the end of the day. The day continued, but I really enjoy spending time at the field or on the court watching my daughter do what she loves, and that is dance. We are now home, and we're going to eat dinner that was prepared by our favorite restaurant and call it a night. Okay, you all, that's going to be a wrap. I know it was a short vlog, but I'm new at this and I just wanted to give you a glimpse of some of the things that I had to accomplish today. I'm now going to sit down and eat this yummy pizza and watch a show before it's time for us to get ready for bed. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.